Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And in today's video about this Doosan XP375-WCU Air Compressor. The problem is that this compressor is not starting. It's cranking but not starting. So I show you. Again, start. So viewers, you saw the compressor is cranking but it's not starting. So be with me. So I'm going to diagnose it. What is the issue this compressor?
So viewers, you found that this one is my fuel pump solenoid and one is here, and one is downside. This one solenoid, one fuel solenoid is this one and one is this one. Okay, so I check power not coming here. Okay, so I follow this wire and this wire is coming from here, this side. I follow this wire because I don't have the drawing, so I follow this wire. Okay, so this wire is going, I open this harness. So here you can see I came this side, I follow that wire. That wire is coming to here. Okay, you can see this is this wire. This is all the sensors: fuel solenoid, oil pressure and temperature sensor. All wires together joint here. Okay, and this wire is coming, and when I reach there, so this wire, so that one is wire is going to all the sensor, fuel oil sensor. So here you can see this relay. Okay, so I'm going to check this relay, why power not coming here. Okay, you can see this is my battery wire, voltage coming here. When this relay will energize, then power came to this wire, and this power get the power for that solenoid. So I'm going to check here. Okay, I don't have the wiring diagram, so therefore I remove the harness and open. You can see I follow that wires and I come to here. Okay, I will check voltages here coming or not. Okay,
Now is switch on. This main power is not coming here. So first I need to check. So here voltage not coming, voltages on a single wire. Okay, so here not coming the voltages. So first I check why battery voltage is not, main voltage is not coming. Okay, so I also need to follow that wire, this follow need to this wire, and check this voltage is coming from where. Okay, so here voltage, main voltage, battery voltage is not coming here. It's need to here. After and this relay will energize, voltage come to here and goes to that solenoid.
so viewers, after long hard working, I succeeded to find the fault. As you can see, I have removed all the harness just to follow that wires which giving the power to the fuel short of solenoid. So here you can see the problem was this relay. Okay, this relay, I clean this relay. When this relay is energized, this give the power to this relay and this relay. Okay, and after that all the sensors and solenoids become energized. So I clean this one. I just show you now the power is coming to this one. Before I checked, the power was not coming here. Now the power is coming because this relay was creating the problem. So I didn't do anything. I just clean this relay in off camera, and after I check this relay is energized and this is energized, I just show you. You can see I on the meter. You can see power is coming here. So now power is coming here. When I will start, so power will come here. Okay. Before you I show you, this power was not coming here. So now I'm going to start.
Show you. Okay. So now this is on position. When I will start this one, so you will see the power will come here, and also power will come to this shut off solenoid. Okay. This is there are two solenoids working together. One is here, fuel shut off solenoid. One is here and one is there. Okay. So after starting, power will come here. I will show you after starting. Okay. So I'm going to start it, and after starting I show you the power will come here. So my problem has finished. Okay. So now is on position. Okay. So after it I will start. Now I'm going to start. So as you saw, now as my compressor is easily starting. I have troubleshooted the starting problem. So problem was that relay, it was jammed, so I cleaned the relay, and now the power is coming to the fuel shut off solenoids. So my compressor is starting. Okay, now in off camera I will fix back all the things which I removed, and also fix the harness back, and after it I will again start it and show you. See, I have fixed the harness properly. Everything is now okay. Okay, so now hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. And now I'm going to last time test it in front of you. I'm going to start it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.